yeah, it looks good with my hair to the side, swept to the side like that, swoop to the side like that. Anyways, so you guys, I definitely had to stop and get me something to eat because I knew I was going to be making home late. And so yeah, here's what I got from Slim Chicken. So they have a chicken and waffle, and I wanted the waffle, but I did not want the chicken, of course, because I don't eat chicken. I don't eat meat unless I'm actually craving some protein. I think yesterday I actually had some protein, and once I began to like try to eat the protein, yeah, I felt some type of way. So that's my waffles, and I love how they went ahead and cut the waffles up for me, not so that they could actually fit in the box, but that's how I like my waffles. So, anyways, okay. So that's the waffle. What do we have here? Oh, this is what my significant other or husband would actually have to look forward to. Typically, I cook every day, but like I said, today was one of those days where I make the exception. So we got some fried okra here. We got some mushrooms, and that's their slim sauce. Okay, and then I believe we have some more mushrooms. Yeah, with their slim sauce. And then for desserts, me. No. Some banana pudding. So again, I am a foodie by heart, so I'm just gonna go ahead and test this out and then see what these mushrooms are hidden on. Trust me when I tell you they're a bussin' bussin'. But I'm gonna go ahead and try one on camera for you guys. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. It's so good. Mm. 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 I'm one of those people.